Hello everyone, welcome to CodeWiz Rafi's show, where we unravel the magic of coding. Today we're exploring how to install Django, so let's get started. Python installation. First things first, we need Python on our PC. We can grab it from the Microsoft Store or the official Python website. If you already have it, fantastic, let's move on. Creating a virtual environment. Now let's create a tidy workspace called a virtual environment. Let's open our command prompt in a new folder and type the following commands. We can name it whatever we like. Creating a virtual environment is very important to maintain a clean and isolated space for project dependencies. Think of it as a spatial hideout for our project. Activating the virtual environment. And now let's activate this hideout by typing a couple of commands. At first, navigating to our scripts folder and then activate it. It's like putting on our superhero gear. Going to folders pack will install Django. This helps keep our project organized like magic. Understanding Django and frameworks. Wondering what Django is? Django is a framework. It's like a superhero for websites. And what is a framework? Picture it as a superhero toolkit with ready-made gadgets, saving us a bunch of time. Creating a Django project. Now let's create a project folder. You can name it anything. Navigate to the folder, run the server, and ta-da! Your creation is live and ready. Easy, right? There you go, our first coding adventure. Stay tuned for more coding wonders on CodeWiz Rafi's show. Happy coding!